I'm Jim Bouchard, founder of the Sensei Leader Movement, and I've got to tell you, I am so excited to be coming back to Colorado to work with you at EBC 2022 this year. I know there's still a lot of uncertainty in the air, but I've been so inspired by the stories that I'm hearing through the Woodworking Network about how you're turning these challenges into opportunities. One of the challenges we're still facing, and it's growing, is how we can make sure that our organizations are magnets that attract and keep the best people. We're going to tackle that head on in our Sensei Leaders sessions this trip, starting with our keynote conversation. I hope you noticed I used the term keynote conversation. I'm absolutely going to share with you my experiences as a sensei and how that translates to leadership. And I'm going to share with you the lessons I've learned from leaders all over the world through the Sensei Leader Movement. But even more important, I learned from my last experience at EBC that we're going to have a whole room full of amazing and experienced leaders. Sure, bring your challenges, but also bring your ideas, bring your experiences, so together we can share all these ideas and we can help each other learn and grow as leaders. In our workshop session, we'll keep the conversation going, and we're going to take a deeper dive into exactly how, as leaders, we can create and maintain that culture that people want to come to and want to stay with. I am really looking forward to seeing you all in September, and together we'll continue our mission as leaders to help one another learn and grow, and, most important, to inspire, empower, and guide our people to their very best.